Hey guys, I'm going to show you real quick a short video on how to replace the spark plugs on a 2007 Hyundai Sonata with a 2.4 GLS. It's very simple. Now just remove the cover, okay? It's 10 millimeter socket. Come in here and then remove the 4 bolts from each one of these where the spark plug is sitting below it, right? Now take off this bracket here that holds the wiring. It has 2 bolts on each end, which is 10 metric. Remove all of them and gently and easy lift this up and lift all of these covers on the spark plugs out all together, because you can't remove this part here, okay? So if you remove this armor here, everything will come out all together. I took a shopping bag and I put it underneath so they won't get dirty. The thing is, you have to use a 5/8 spark plug socket, right? Okay. Now, when you go in there to remove the spark plug that's inside and you start turning counterclockwise, don't freak out. It's going to be very tight and you say rusted and you think, I'm going to break this thing. It won't happen. So once you start taking it off counterclockwise and it's hard, stop. Turn it clockwise again counterclockwise, go a little bit further, turn it clockwise again counterclockwise, so on and so forth, and you'll be amazed how easy they come out. I happen to have a grass blower, and I used it to blow out all the dust in there. Even after I took out these covers off, I blow it in there too to take out any dust in the area. That's it, guys. Replace the spark plugs just like the way you put it in. And when I put the spark plugs in and it came to a stop, I just turned it a little bit more without forcing it in. The same thing, especially for the top one. When you put the screws in, bear in mind, this is plastic. So when I screwed it in and it felt snug, I just went a little bit more and that's it, leave it alone. Same thing for the small ones right here. You're done. Great job. Have a blessed day.